right, I'm taking you through the live images coming in from Wayanad as Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has just landed as he oversees the rescue mission. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan landing into Wayanad on day 2 of his rescue mission. Landslides that have hit Wayanad, really the worst of its kind, that's left the entire district battered. The death toll unofficially has gone up to 285. The official number that we have currently is 250. There are hundreds more who are still trapped. Of course, for the rescue teams to get to the other side has been an issue as a vital bridge has cut off. But you see the bridge there, that's a makeshift bridge that's been set up by the Indian Army. Kudos to them, huge salute for their resilience, for them working tirelessly for the last 48 hours to ensure that they put up a mock bridge so they can get past to the other side where villages have been cut off. As I take you through live images, Pinarayi Vijayan, the Chief Minister, has just arrived. I'm going to cut across to Shibi Mole joining us. Shibi, the Chief Minister has arrived on day 2 as the rescue mission continues. What's on the agenda? Where are the areas he plans to visit? Tell us more.
Well, Nabila, Chief Minister left the site. He actually did not come down to the site because it's raining very badly, as you can see in the visuals. The security arrangements were made till that temporary bridge set up there, but he waited for some time, but it was very risky moving from there. There's a slope there and it's filled with mud, so it was very slippery, and after the advice of the rescue operators, he left without coming down. Right before that, 10-15 minutes before, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi had also visited the site. CM is in this district today. He had a review meeting with the officials, and later on he had an all-party meeting where many decisions have been made, especially in terms of rehabilitation and also in terms of fighting these missing people. There are many people missing, so those discussions were made. It has been decided that all the parties, political parties and all, will work together like how it has been going on since the last few days, ever since this major tragedy broke out. Heavy rainfall here, as you can see. It's become very difficult right now to carry the rescue operations for the rescue operators. Especially, you can see this bridge completion, the construction of this bridge completion is the priority here. But heavy rainfall, and it's definitely putting making it very difficult for them to continue with the rescue operation, because everywhere it's all mud here and it's very, very slippery. Half of it is gone everywhere. You never know where you're stamping on. If you're sometimes you're stepping on the mud and then your leg is completely going down. So that's very, very risky at this point. So it's been advised that everybody should come and stand at one location itself where the mud is straight, it's not slippery. So that's the main thing going on. A lot of food items are being taken to Mundakai, which is 3 kilometers from here. That's up. You have to walk 3 kilometers up to that site, where that is where exactly a lot of bodies needs to be recovered. A lot of people are missing. So but the heavy rain altering the rescue operations and forcing the rescue operators to come and stand at one location. If you can see the way right now the people are moving through that temporary bridge setup, it's just one person moving at one particular time, taking their turns. Earlier that was not the case. Before it started raining, they were allowing people to move in a line, but that's not the case right now because it's very, very risky at this point. The warnings are still on for heavy rainfall and all the other natural calamities, because it's still a hilly area. It's still very risky, and they have been working on the ground without any break since the last 2 days, carrying out these rescue operations. So safety of these rescue operators and everybody at this place is very important also. That's why there's a small halt right now for hoping that the climate will turn favorable with time, but right now it's raining heavily and making it very, very difficult to carry out the rescue operations.
Right, Shibi, we see that even Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi have arrived. Have they ventured into those areas? Is there any restriction in that sense for anyone to enter the highly sensitive zones?